Hola, bienvenido a Solo Diaries con Kenny. Tenemos muchas cosas que hacer. ¡Vamos! Oh, y'all thought I was playing when I said I was on my Spanish? No, ma'am. And with that being said, I am in Mexico. Oh, look at the line for customs. Honestly, it looks horrendous, but we got through the line so fast. Honestly, it didn't matter anyway because I'm in Mexico, specificamente Cancun, and I'm on my way. You know why? Because I'm in Mexico. Nothing matters when you're in Mexico. It was pouring when I landed, and you best believe I was living my R&B music video fantasy looking out this window. The only difference is, say it with me, class, I'm doing it in Mexico. Thankfully, it was only like a 20-minute drive from the airport to the resort, so we were there in no time. Welcome to the Rio Cancun, everybody. I'ma just tell you right now, if you're looking for a good time, this is where you need to be. But we're not gonna start without a mimosa. Here's some quick views, a little cute tour for the time being while I wait for my room. You know, she was lovely. A little gloomy outside, but I'm not mad at it. You know why? Because we're in Mexico. Room tour, bitches. Leave it up to me to not be able to figure out how to get out of the goddamn door. I don't know why it took me so long to figure this out, but babe, we got it open. Now let's take in this view, honey. Now this is when reality starts to set in because I'm really on a solo trip.
We gon' come and blow New Jersey up. Bang, 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 bang. You want some? Hurry up.
Now how did I end up at the damn grocery store? It don't matter because I'm at the store in Mexico. Then I saw these BBL girls living their best life in the water. It was really late at this point and I had been up since like 1:30, so I just headed back to the hotel, watched a little bit of the show and sat down and ate my snacks. That was actually the last chill moment that I had because honey, when I tell you I had a time, I took it to another level. I can't wait for you to see what's next. See you next episode.